Okay, we'll get started here with what's going on with the weather. Again, a low pressure system forming off the coast of New Jersey. It'll work its way across Long Island, back up into New York, and then back down through Pennsylvania and out to sea. It's kind of a weird storm that actually comes in from the east. That's why the weather gets kind of crazy, but it also has the ability to create cold air, and especially in the upper, elevations. And I think that's going to create some pretty good snows up there. I've had a chance to look this over. This is about 8 o'clock on a simulated radar. It's already snowing up to the north, but you'll see as we get closer to midnight, you can see those colors get darker. This is 10, here's 11, here's 12 o'clock, and you can see pretty dark blues up here. This is pretty heavy snow. Northern New Jersey, it's breaking out, and it's breaking out in all of northeastern PA except the valleys at that point in time. As we get to about 2 o'clock, you can see it's rotating around, still snowing pretty heavy up in this area here. The valleys are getting a little bit of snow, but not that much. And then as this rotates, it'll turn into snow for them. And as you can see, this rotation takes it all the way out here almost to Erie. If it wasn't for the warm water off the lakes up here, they'd be getting snow too. And you got some snow here in the Little Highlands. This snow is now dropping down towards Allentown, Reading, Lebanon, Harrisburg. This is around 7 o'clock in the morning, so you got pretty much most of the night. And the part about this down south here, once the sun comes up, it won't really stick to the roads. It'll be wet snow, and you can see here's 8 o'clock, here's 9, and then you can see 10 o'clock. It's working its way south, and when it gets to Philly, it's snowing, but it's not sticking. And this is around 2 in the afternoon, and you can see it's raining in South Jersey, but there is some snow by Camden out this way and there, and then it just kind of rotates around and loses its power as it goes, and it just goes away overnight, Wednesday night or Friday night. This is what it looks like. Let's back up. This is what it looks like around 8 o'clock, and then this is what it looks like around midnight, right around here. So you can see it pretty nice out, except for the mountainous areas out here, and maybe some flurries hanging around up in the Poconos stuff. But it'll move away quickly. And then we kind of clear out over the weekend, except for some showers out here in western PA, which is um, there's not enough cold air for that to be snow, except maybe in the mountainous regions. And so then when you have the streamers coming off, and again, some areas it's snow, as you can see up here towards the Finger Lakes, maybe up here in the Poconos, a little flurries going on. And so when we get done with all this mess, um, we end up with that. Again, these are the mountainous areas. This is the valleys, and this is down towards Philadelphia. You can see it shows snow down here, but it's going to fall during the day. So if it's on the grass and everything, that would be a thing. But I really don't think it does anything to the roads down here. If you look Reading here, Allentown, you're about an inch. The higher terrain around those cities can get a few inches because of the elevation. Here in northern New Jersey, you're probably looking at anywhere from 5 to 8, maybe 9 inches. The Poconos, there could be a sweet spot up there that gets a foot or more of snow, but basically, generally, I'd say 5 to 10. The valleys, again, 1 inch, 2 inch. With a little luck, you get three. So that's kind of where that's at. And again, once this one goes by, guess what? We might have another one. Now, this is the GFS model. This is what it's calling for. But we're going to put this in a different mode here. We're going to put it in this. This is what's going to go on. Then this goes away. Now we're in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing going on. And then we have this coming in 7 o'clock Thanksgiving in the morning, coming through, and lays down a few inches of snow in the areas that normally don't get much snow. And it might even continue on into Jersey here. Right now, it doesn't show that, but it did earlier, so I kind of think it might do that. So this would be Thanksgiving into the day after Thanksgiving in the morning, where you would see that. And then that one goes away, and then you got another one. that comes across. It doesn't affect everybody, but this is around the second, the first and the second. And you can see more snow. This is definitely up here by Erie. It is finally snow up there. So this is another little one that comes by again, mixed with rain. Unfortunately, I hate to break it to you. You can see, I'll move this back a little bit here. You can see when it comes across, um, there is some rain to the south, down towards Philly and Jersey, and the snow is to the north, and then out to the west, and then that one goes by. And just kind of keeps on going. So we kind of got a little early. And then this is looking way out. There's a little system around the seventh, but that's kind of where we sit right now. So just be careful of the roads, especially in the higher terrain. If it snows hard enough, it can make it into slush, and then the snow will start to stick and make the roads pretty rough. All right, take it easy.